We like electricians. We do. We love those guys. We have many electrical professionals on our LED install teams, coast to coast. But when I say chuck in a truck, it's not meant to disrespect electricians. It's those guys running around those F-150s passing themselves off as LED lighting professionals who just, frankly, they just make us cringe. They buy random fixtures from a local distributor or a big box store of a mix mash of lights, and they try to make a buck off of them. The customer is really the one who suffers, because this is what usually happens. And instead of support, the finger pointing starts. I got a call into one company, and the cost to fix the problem of the failing, mismatched, out-of-date fixtures was $43,000. And since Chuck already fell for the rebates, the customer, well, they lose again. Chuck in a truck. Come on, do business with an LED professional. Beautiful lights that last with no maintenance for a decade or even more.